Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another guide. In this video, I'm going to show you the updated version of a VPN app that helps add an extra layer of security while you are using the internet. The app is available on the Google Play Store and it has recently received an update. Since the app was updated, I decided to make a new video to show you the latest setup. The app is called Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Google Play Store and search for Dark Tunnel VPN. From the results, select the app and make sure you check the app name and icon carefully. Install the app on your device, then tap on Open. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. When the app opens, you will need to do a few basic settings. First, tap on the menu icon at the top of the screen, then select Update. This allows the app to update its resources so it can work properly. After the update is complete, move to the server section. For this guide, I recommend leaving the server option on Auto Select. This helps the app automatically choose the best working server for your location. Next, select the connection method, choose UDP from the available options. UDP is usually fast and works in many countries. If UDP is supported in your country, this option should work well for you. Once everything is set, tap on the Start button. The app will connect, and your internet connection will be active. That's how you set up Dark Tunnel VPN to add an extra layer of security and improve your online connection. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful content.